What's up, everybody? It's Pastor Dre. Are you searching how to start your own online business? Are you tired of the daily grind? Dreaming of financial freedom? If you've been searching for how to start your own online business, you're in the right place. Starting your own online business is one of the best ways to achieve your goals. Endless opportunities at your fingertips. The internet is a gold mine, just waiting to be explored. I remember when I first started my online journey, I had no idea where to begin, but then I found the platform Wealthy Affiliate. It changed the game for me. That's right, Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is, in my opinion, the best platform for learning how to build your online business. It offers step-by-step training, supportive community, and all the tools you need to launch your success. To launch your business. Whether you're looking to start a blog, dive into affiliate marketing, or launch an e-commerce store like I did. Wealthy Affiliate provides you with easy to follow lessons that cater to beginners. They also have expert advice thanks to their incredible support system. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your online business journey? Wealthy Affiliate is the way to go. Join today and take your potential to another level. Your path to financial freedom starts here. Don't wait. Click the link below this video and get started. And let's turn your dreams into reality. I'll see you on the inside. And just to let you know, I started my own clothing line called Gospel Swag, and I'm promoting it through ideas and techniques I learned at Wealthy Affiliate. If you have any questions, hit me up, send me an email, or join Wealthy Affiliate, and I'll send you a personal message when you join. God bless.